Yeah. Piece of soap from overnight there. Rice in the pot. Mix. Yes nation, welcome back to another video people. Today we're gonna do some cooking in our outdoor kitchen. So we're gonna cook some curry french fry chicken and we're gonna cook some rice and peas. Right now I'm gonna put on the peas, make the peas cook first, cause I'm gonna cook the rice first, and then I'm gonna cook the curry french fry chicken. I never cook it before, I always see people do it, so I do a little research, so I'm gonna try to do it. Remember enough people, I'm a chef. I try a thing today, alright? So I don't want to crucify me in the comment section, alright? So we are gonna build the fire now. So yeah, we are gonna chuck in the coal in the stove here now and get that light in. So now put a plastic in the mig light. Everybody like coal stove different, you know. So this is my way of light it, alright? Some people use gas, some people use kerosene oil, some people use cooking oil, but me I use plastic, alright? Pack some coal on top of it so them can catch. Alright, so we are going to make that go and catch, and then we're going to get the peas ready and chuck it on pan the, put it on pan the fire, make it cook. Alright, so wash the peas. Yeah. Normally when I grew up as a little boy, when my mother got a market for Saturday, they normally put the peas to soak overnight. All our people must still do that, put them peas to soak for overnight. Just comment down below, man. I think them say the peas swell, or I don't remember when my mother tell me about it, but she normally asks if we put the peas to soak from overnight. You get me? So if any of you guys still do that, just comment it down below. So I get some water in it right now. Sky there in the kitchen here, so. And Niana. Every people have iron and Niana, man. And Sky there right here, so now we're going to just put on the pot on the fire. Let the peas cook. Alright, come take a look in at the pot here now. So yes, in at the pot here now. Put some pimento in it. And then we have the garlic. So normally we don't want to put too much pimento in it, so we're going to get the skin off of the garlic and put it in. Alright, so now we're going to cover it up and let it boil. Alright, so make that go and cook, alright? So right now nation, like how the peas are going to cook, here what I'm going to do. I don't use no coconut powder, I'm going to use an original coconut. Original coconut to make the coconut juice to cook the rice and peas, alright? So here I'm going to get this cut up and blend. I don't grate it, I'm going to blend it, alright? So yeah man, nice coconut. Now live in a country now, live in a town, so them coconut here you have to buy them. I think I want 250 Jamaican dollars I pay for it. So we get this cut up and blend. So Come in, man. I could go cut it up there now. Voila. Coconut water. Coconut water. We're gonna get them ox out. Ox out and cut up and blend. Wow. Shala, come on, easy man. The rest of them like that same way too. Put that one here. So nation, we ox them out. Now we are going to wash them off and get them cut up, alright? Come in. So now we are going to cut them up like this. Cut them up so. More faster to me. Yeah, watch your finger, you know. You don't want to get your finger cut off. Easy one too. So now nation, we don't cut them up. So now we gotta throw them in the blender and blend them. So we blend them right here, so. Throw them in. Now throw everything and then we'll get some water. Right on the pipe. Plug in my blender.
Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Alright, make your blender rest a little bit and then we'll start blending back again. Alright? Cheap Basco blender. All who know when I mean Basco. Yeah man. One of them type of blender. Right? Daddy! Name come out here in back and front shirt. Right, we are strain it now. Yeah. Strain that off. Add the rest right to the blender now and then put the trash them in this. We are empty out this. Me and already clean. Juice it like that. Juice it. Squeeze, yeah, squeeze it. Straight coconut juice in them people. So now nation we gonna add this to the pot. So I pour in the coconut milk. Just like that in the pot. Yeah. And then we're gonna add the seasoning them to it. We're gonna add the scallion with thyme and pepper and salt. Right? So these are one stove with this thing. So now we'll get the pepper and scallion and thyme to put in there. Scallion and thyme, we just go wash them off and get them in the pot, alright? Now we have the scallion and thyme. Put them in the pot. Oh, I forgot the salt. Hold on, we'll grab the salt and come back. Alright, so we got the salt now. Put some salt in it. Put this amount in there. And cook with no oil for salt. Alright, so we're just gonna leave this about 5 to 10 minutes and then we add the rice to it. I like how the peas and everything that they start going cooking now, I'm gonna rinse out back them thing there. Throw away the trash, the coconut trash. You know when you're a youth, a whole lot of people used to eat this with sugar, you know, the coconut trash. Yeah man, cause me used to do it too. But I'm gonna throw away these and rinse out back them here and then we're gonna start out the rice. Alright. So I have one garbage pan right back at it. So come in. Rinse out them here. And put up back your blender. One cheap castor blender this, you know. Basket blender. This me I go wash the rice. So yeah, everything wash out, you know. Rinse out. Alright, so I'm gonna put up back the blender inside, alright? Put up everything, you know. We'll grab the rice and all of this me I cook still now. This is 5 pound. 5 pound of rice. Yeah, but all of this me I cook. Alright, so we're gonna check in at the pot now and see if it's ready for the rice go in. Alright, come in. We're checking it here now. Look at that. Pot a bubble, pot a bubble. Alright, pot a bubble. So we're gonna wash the rice now and put the rice in it for cook, alright? So let's get the rice washing. I'm gonna wash off the color out of the rice. Turn off the pipe. So you wash rice, don't you? Drain it off. Use another wash. Don't use the soap powder, you know. Wash your rice, you know. Just the source of water alone, you use wash your rice. Alright. 2 wash me and give it. Alright. We done wash your rice you know. So we're gonna put it in the pot. Alright? Come in. Put the rice in the pot. Look like all too much rice. Make sure what people. Throw off a little water with it on there. Just like that. Add in the rest of the rice. Right. Grab the fork, we are storing this up here now. Alright. So I make this cook. So we're gonna add some coconut oil in it. You can don't know you can use your butter. You use what you prefer, you see it. But me prefer use coconut oil. So get some oil and forward back through night. So the coconut oil. Like that. And cover that and make that cook. Alright. So now what we are gonna do here now, we are gonna cut up with chicken. Cause you say some curry French fried chicken we are doing, you know. So we're gonna cut up with chicken here now and season it up. So when the rice done cook, you know what go on pan fire now. Don't know see the chicken pot go on next, alright? So go and stay tuned. Yes no man. Right. Alright, make that go and steam you know. So we are chop up the chicken you know and get it ready to fry. We meat cut up you know, but now I feel like a dull, so I get one little brick, me not on a fire. A spoon. You just rub your knife on it like that. Wash up like that. What? Yeah man. Sharp you know. Cut up the chicken. You see me Examination, that's what I do. Cut off the fat off it. That's it. Wash out the chicken and the board. Come in. Wash out the chicken. I get some vinegar. Put some vinegar. Vinegar kill off the rounds of the chicken. Wash them off one more time. What we are going to do now, we are going to season up the chicken. You know, right after how they wash it. Meanwhile, the cold stove beers are going hot. We are going with some all-purpose on the chicken. So we are season up the chicken and the flour. We have not a meal inside with a lot of knife. Yeah man, we are going with some chicken seasoning on it now. Just like that. So now we are going to stir it up, alright? Rubbing the chicken, rubbing the seasoning. Oh, forgot. The main ingredients that we are going to use for it. The curry. When I say I cook curry fried chicken, I forgot the curry. Chewing the curry from it. Look at it for a second. Yellow. Season up the chicken. Now we are going to do the flour. Hold on. We could put on the pot on the fire. Put that on, make that go on hot. Then we season up the flour. Some flour in the pan. We are going with some seasoning, just the same. Purpose, some chicken seasoning now. We're going with some baking powder. Like that. We just gonna mix it round. Right. So we make that go and simmer. Sit down, set.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Also, till the pot hot. Alright, so go and lock in. Look hot, so I'm gonna throw in some oil on it. Yes, no man. We're gonna make that go on hot. And you don't know, so when that done hot, a chicken are going at that no man. Lock in, no man. Now we go the high look like it hot, so I'm gonna put one garlic. It's a garlic in there. And pepper. Alright, come in. Now we are going to coat the chicken in. Flour. Nathaniel. Coat on there. Just like that. The flour for more chicken. Still dust off some of my flour after it. The air fryer still a coat. Some more and put them down. So when them they done fry, then you can go in. And yellow. Curry make it yellow. Say yes, no man. Outside. So we make them they go and fry. When them they done fry, we throw in some new one. Alright? Just go and stay in. Go and lock in. Lock in. Lock in on the curry french fry chicken. I cook it different, you know. I'm telling you, I'm a chef. Fire thing, you see me? If you like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribers yet, you know. I think now, I not even know what sauce I go cook with for gravy. I don't know if I go make. I go try come up with something. Clean up the dish towel. So when them they come out or when I turn them, keep back, alright? That go on nation, that go on. Try it, I never tried this before now. First me I try this. Me I cook it and first me I go taste it. If a content creator do it already, it really tastes good. If so much people do it. Alright? Thing me not have running belly. Yeah, very. But thing to the tea, Potato go with it. Nation, we're going to take out them one here. And put in some fresh one. Look at that. Yes, no man. Yeah. Take off the flour. Cover it down, make it steam and fry. Alright, that's it. Eat that, you know. I feel like for sample piece, I come well want to taste it and see how it tastes. The coat piece. Sea line nearly drop. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Tastes good. Eat no sauce and eat no fresh. Boom. Come on, man, go on with myself, man. Yeah, can't go my car. Go on lock in. Let's go check on the chicken them. Look, come in. Alright, so them they almost done fry. So here we go do now. I go try and make some sauce. Alright, I don't know what type of sauce to make. So onion, ketchup, I want Irish. Most of the Irish. So we just try butter corn sauce to make the gravy. How to make sauce? Tell me down in the comment. I can't get one ingredient. Cut up my Irish, you know. Dice them up fine. and then can cook for. Then me are going out with sauce. So we take out the chicken and we now take off the pot there and put on the next pot to make the sauce. Just like that. Drain out some of my oil off it. So the sauce almost done cooking now, so we're going to just share out the food. Done. That's finished. Get some food sharing here now. No man, not rice and peas. Fry curry chicken. Yeah. Look on the chicken. Gravy pot here now. See that? Thing done here now, people. So sample it here now. You can taste the coconut in the rice. It tastes stronger than the coconut powder. Take a bite out of the chicken. The short people. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Alright, I'll catch you in our next video. Outside.